I'm just happy filming a place exactly how it is. I don't like lighting it. Why I'm happy with just filming any place I think looks good. Don't matter anything, any lighting. I just want to film it exactly how it is. It's like if you come here and see that garbage and shit, I just want to film it exactly how it is. Rather than adding stuff to it, like digital shit or lighting. I always film everything I film in the same way. When I'm thinking of something, I never like change the way it looks. So if I'm filming something, it's always gonna look the same, so I can edit it in anything. Fridge banana. I was just walking in my kitchen and looked on the fridge and there was like 2 bananas on the fridge. And I just thought that's a weird place to put bananas. So I thought the fridge bananas. And I thought that was a funny name, so I decided to name it fridge banana. Dad puts them in his shakes. In his milkshakes. The Canada and Yellow TV. It's not really about how awesome your camera is. It's about how awesome you are as a photographer. But I'm fucking hungry. I'm extremely hungry. I want to keep going. Even the most prime time to capture when someone's talking is right after they've stopped talking. Like, you literally have to film everything. If you're doing a documentary, you have to film everything. Like, there's not one thing you should stop filming. Especially after the person you're like interviewing or talking to has stopped talking. Pretend like you've stopped recording and then just keep recording, because that sometimes will be the best part. They'll say the funniest thing because they're themselves again right after that. You know what I mean? It is what it is. If you like it or if you hate it, it's all correct to me. Okay. Free-handed.